smash that like button.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
All right, so we're gonna make my potato salad, the most famous potato salad ever. We're gonna go with potatoes. All right, we got a nice baking potato, although you can use any kind you want. My preference is just a nice, good, solid baking potato. Then I like the sweet Vidalia onion and celery. Of course, the nice green olives and mayonnaise. And I use the fake stuff now since it's half price. We got some nice brown eggs, some paprika, oregano, black pepper, and bacon. For this, I got bacon bits. It's a real bacon product. Otherwise, if you want, you can go ahead and fry up bacon, but not doing that today. Cold water, and you're just going to peel the potatoes and put them in that pot. All right. Get a close up. So these are, some people like to call them potatoes. I personally don't. And we're gonna, something like this is unacceptable in my kitchen, so I know I didn't peel that. Put the eggs in some cold water, and always remember when you're cooking to keep the handles inside. Because you know brown eggs are local eggs and local eggs are fresh.
Brown eggs are local eggs and local eggs are fresh.
So we're just washing the celery. Sometimes celery can have a little bit of sand because it is a stalk vegetable. Ew. Just cutting the ends off. And actually you could, any kind of ends you have, whether it's celery or onions or carrots, you could go ahead and put them in a Ziploc bag and freeze them. And just use them for your soup stock next time you make a soup.
No soup for you!
Celery is very high in fiber, so it keeps those intestines clean. The next vegetable you can do is do an onion. Now, I don't use a lot of onion. You should, okay, so now the eggs are boiling. I let the eggs boil for a minute or two, but that's it. I don't keep them in there for 4 or 5 minutes, whatever. I just shut them off. I usually do 15 minutes rest time in here, and then I put them in a cold bath. Refilling the pot with fresh water, fresh cold water, right from the beautiful water table at Rangeley Plantation, Maine. What I do is I peel my potatoes, wash them, and then I cut them into just chunks. Well, different size chunks. It does not need to be too uniform.
Cut. What is going on?
You know what's going on.
This needs to stop. This is not in the union contract.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
All right, so we got the potatoes in here. Now we're gonna empty some of this water out because they do not need to be fully covered to cook. What we're working with is a nice wolf range here. It's a 6 burner. We're gonna cover those potatoes and check them in about 8 minutes. It'll take a while for this to come to a boil. I'm using green olives, but I'm draining them all because I'm gonna use the rest of this jar. It's no name brand.
Manzanilla.
Gives it a nice little salty flavor with a little bite to it. Just gives it more texture and flavor. And color too, by the way. Basically, we're just gonna wait about 10 to 15 minutes while the potatoes cook and the eggs settle and become hard boiled. And that's it for now. So we've done our prep work and we're waiting for the potatoes and eggs to cook. So the potatoes are done. You don't want them like mashed potatoes. You want them just where your knife can just poke through it nice. You still want them on the firm side, and these are perfect. Make sure it's off. Take them and drain the potatoes into a colander in the sink. She took a potato or a potato. I wasn't sure which. Okay, so I just put the potatoes back in.
Potatoes, boil them, mash them, stick them in a stew.
So the eggs have been sitting in the boiled water for about 20 minutes, and we're gonna go ahead and put them in a cool bath. Okay, so they're in a nice cold bath. Secrets that Aunt Bern told me was, well, top secret. Just eyeball it to begin with, and then mix it up. All right, that's good. Is Aldi's. Someone told me that this tastes just like Hellman's. So that'll cool a little bit more, and we're gonna peel the eggs now. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna peel the eggs and get them ready for the potato salad. And now that we've done all our prep work, we have all our chopped vegetables, we got the hard-boiled egg, the spices that we use, we'll go over again, oregano, a little bit of paprika, and black pepper. So now we're gonna construct the potato salad. So I just take the hard-boiled eggs and I hand cut them like this, right onto the potatoes. Then we're gonna put in celery, onions, and the olives. And then you just mix it, fold it kinda. You can tell it needs mayonnaise. So I'm gonna add more mayonnaise. You like it to cover the potatoes and vegetables. So this should be good. And you gotta mix. It's a lot of mixing involved with this gig. And then my favorite is oregano in the potato salad. I'm not quite sure if Bern used it or not. I feel like she must have. And that's it. And then I'm gonna put a little black pepper in, and I'll do one last mix. That is the end of the potato salad. So today we have a special guest. It's a taste tester, an independent lady that I have on my studio today. Please, I'd like you to meet her. Tawana, could you please come in and take a taste of this and let me know? The importance of an independent taste tester is to find out if an ingredient is missing or if I need more of an ingredient.
It's perfect.
Well, thank you, Tony. Okay. All right, so we're ready to refrigerate the potato salad for later on this afternoon. And the last thing I do is put paprika on it. This happens to be Hungarian paprika. Adds a little flavor, but it also makes it look pretty. All right, so usually we do add bacon bits to this. Sometimes you can fry your bacon and make your own bacon bits. I happened to buy this because it was easier. We are serving it on the side today because we do have some vegetarian guests. This recipe really originated from the most famous aunt, Aunt Bern, Bernie, my mother's sister, because we would always have her make the potato salad because she put bacon in it and she put green olives in it, and it was just so delicious. And she shared her secrets with me, which I am now sharing with you. There's one secret I'm not going to share, so don't ask.
She made it for any get-together.
Yep.
She made the best.
Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird. The bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Bird is a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word.
Smash that like button.
Let's see it again. Take two.
Smash that like button.
Everybody knows that the bird is a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird. The bird is a bird. Oh, well,
A vlog. What is a vlog?
Wow.